Hola Kelly y Guali. ¿Cómo estás? Soy Adriana. I was going to give you this little video on how to get to the website. So I made a WordPress site, and to get to it, you're going to write adrianamjgarcia.com/tallercito de son. And if you write that, you should come to the site. And here is the site. It still has a lot of work to do. I've only put 4 versos in it. And I'm going to show you how to do one. So like if you click on La Candela, it'll take you to the page, and I have the sounds you put in there, and then also the lyrics with the chorus. Now you are users, so you can log in and create that, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So in order to log in, you're going to write adrianamjgarcia.com/tallercito de son /WP-admin. When you get there, you're going to go ahead and get to this page. Now, you can put in your username and your password. I gave you both a username and a password, and you can change it at any time you want. So you're going to press login. And once you log in, you'll be taken to the back end of the website. Now, what I do to create those versos is I'm going to come to where it says post, and I'm going to add a new post. So here we go. Add a new post. And here we have a place where we can add a new post. So I'm going to add a new post called La Bamba, right? And here is where I can put all text and stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to I found some lyrics. Now you can change it, obviously. So say you found lyrics that you want to place in there. So you come over here, right click it, you're going to copy, and you're going to come back to where we were over here, and you can right click and paste, and here you have your lyrics. Now for the for the chorus, I'm going to select what's the chorus and click on block quote, and that will make whatever is in there block quote. Now I'm also going to add images. So I'm going to add some images. I'm going to go to add media, create gallery, and I'm going to add, now this might be wrong because I don't know what to do here, but I'm going to go ahead and add these here. So I'm going to say create new gallery, and these are do, fa, sol. If there's more, please let me know. You can also reverse the order or arrange the order in which they go. Now if you just write it down for me, I can do this part if you don't want to. You're going to go ahead and change this one to media file, and I'm going to change this to 4 columns because we want to see them 4 times in a row. And I have it at thumbnail grid. There's different ways you can do it. You can experiment with it if you want to. So I'm going to insert that gallery, and that's how it looks. And you want to make sure you're on text. This is the text view. If you click on visual, this is the visual view. So once this shows you coding, and this one shows you how it might look. If you want to change it, you want to make sure you're in visual view, and then you can come up here and edit to change your gallery if you wanted to. Now, the last thing you want to do is put a featured image. The featured image is what, let's go ahead and publish. I'm going to go ahead and publish. I'll show you the featured image. So once you're done, you can publish it, And then you can view your post. Up here, you can view your post, and you can see how it looks on the post. And see, this is how my post looks so far. Now, if I want to change a little bit about it, notice on my other post, I had a picture up here. That's what you call the featured image. So if I want to change something about it, I can go to Edit Post, and I'm going to set a featured image. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Set Featured Image. Now I want to add an image that I found on the internet or something that I have at home on my computer. So what I'm going to do is, like, if you wanted to do it from the internet, and I have an image here. Say I looked on the internet and I looked up La Bamba, so I got a lot of Richie Valens, but that's funny. Anyways, so I found this image that I like. I want to view the image by itself, and then I'm going to go ahead and right click it, and I'm going to save image as onto my desktop. If that doesn't show up, you know, make sure you expand it if you're on a Mac to show up on your desktop. I'm going to change the name to La Bamba. Oh wait, no, let's keep the artist's name in there. I'm just going to change it to where the name doesn't have any spaces. It's good to have no spaces when you're naming stuff. So I'm going to change the name. It's going to be going to my desktop. I'm going to press save. Oh, actually, let's make sure I saved it. Yep, it's a JPEG. Okay, so it's on my desktop. Now I can go back over here to where I'm editing, and I can upload files. So I'm going to go ahead and upload files, and I'm going to select files from my desktop. So I'm going to go to my desktop, and where did I find it? There it is. There's my image. I'm going to go ahead and open it, and it'll upload that image to the image library that I have for WordPress. And I can change the title, and I can put a caption on there if I want it. I'm going to set that one as the featured image, and you'll see that it shows up right here. Now, if you want people to comment on it, this is where you would write comment and sharing buttons. We'll talk about that a little bit later. So now when I update, I can view my post, and here's my post. Now that might be too big of a image. I might want to get a smaller image for La Bamba, but you get my drift. And if you come up here, you'll click up here, and this is how the front page would look. Let me refresh it. There we go. So the front page has La Bamba, and the other one's in there. Now we can change the way the front page looks a little bit more. There's different themes, but for right now, if you guys can add stuff to whatever the posts that are on here, that'd be great. Like, for instance, if you wanted to add a video to El Gallo, right? So you would click onto El Gallo, and here we're inside El Gallo, and I want to edit this post. So if you're logged in, you'll see this bar up here. I can go to Edit Post, and say I wanted to add a video that I had on YouTube. And I'd put my cursor where I want it, and I'd go to YouTube, and here I have some butterflies. Here's some butterflies. So if I wanted to add this video, or say I wanted to add this video to whatever, to my place, I would come up here and take the link up here and right click and copy, and then I'd come back to where my post is, and all I'd have to do is paste that link, and it'll place that video in there. When I update, it'll place that video in there, and I get to view my post, and now the post for El Gallo has a video in it. It's that simple, guys. Please call me if you have any questions, and I hope this video was helpful. Okay.